said the man in a me house never go down low, but the boy out the road, no things them a fi do. Like kiss up me catty and suck off me toe. All me bright bulb him a fi blow, flow. The man in a me house give me rub and sex, oh yes. Also me keep and breast, but before an ex-boy try tear off my dress, me little tongue him a fi wet. Me say, enough hot boy want give me man bun, but me tell them already on the 2 way me come. Me don't get one, so if you still want some, you have to yam like a dog and lick with your tongue. You see the one that will worry about me? Me want to tell you this, hey. Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out of this, aye. Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out of this, aye. Come kiss out me Bible. Can offer uno a Satan disciple. The devil have you like a horse in a bridle. Sit down up in your saddle and a ride you. Jezebel, come kiss up, pull up.
Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negusimara, and I'd like for you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, man. So, we see ladies perform at Grooving in the Park earlier last week. Well, today is the what? Today is the 30th, and it was I think about a week ago. Last week Sunday, from the 30th, and I realized something. Since ladies has transitioned to Christianity, living an upful and upright life, a lot of people dislike that and them still bashing her. And I still try wonder why. Because it's like we're not giving her no room to grow. Did you know that before Malcolm X became one of our most prominent black leaders, right? He was a pimp, he was a street hustler, gambler, drug addict, everything we can think about in the book. He went to prison and he came out a brand new man. Now, if they're supposed to do Malcolm X like when they do ladies, we wouldn't have a Malcolm X. You understand? And I think the way we should present Christianity, first of all, it is not brand new and this is not new. You have pastors, male Christian members, church members, who DJ just like ladies are, with the same aggressiveness in the name of the Lord. Now I think because she had a raunchy past, I don't give the woman no room for grow. It's like, I don't understand. It's like, I don't know what. I don't know what she could have do. Is it the dialect? Is it how she said the words? Is it how she sing the song them? It sound too dancehall-y. She's trying to go into Funa market for reach Uno. The people who are delving a decadence, uno shall try reach. Well, I'll mean to you don't know me, I say, I like decadence a little bit still, understand, but not to the degree where someone don't like it, because someone would watch people do some egregious things and not say nothing. You understand? So I wonder, what is it? What's the problem with Uno and Ladisa and her transition and how she's presenting Christianity? Are you ashamed of the dialect? Should she speak proper English when she's praising the Lord? Should she twang like Uno loves it? Because if ladies are they come and speak upright and proper English like these uptown people and say, in the name of the Lord and God Almighty and praise Jesus, uno still would have bashar. Ladies are we are twang for ladies are. What are twang? Jesus can understand in a patois. So if it's not the dialect, what is it? Oh, uno don't want see? We as people, we don't like to see people grow from the things that we used to delve in. I don't understand. It's like damned if you do, damned if you don't. Ladies, I could have tried speak proper English and try, get our message across. But would it be effective? Would you guys listen to somebody who spoke patois all our life and then to start sing proper English pan song? No, shall try to reach the crowd. You understand? Go run this one more time. Hear the versatility, hear the message.
The one that will worry about me, I want to tell you this. Hey. Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out of this, aye. Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out of this, aye. Come kiss out me Bible. Can offer uno a Satan disciple. The devil have you like a horse in a bridle. Sit down up in your saddle and a ride you. Jezebel, come kiss out.
Come kiss out my Bible. So she worded it different. Because she could have said, come kiss her ass. But because she's a Christian, she had to say, come kiss her Bible. Come read the word of the Lord. But uno still have ladies in a phone of mine. But this is Minister Marian Hall. This is a changed and reformed woman. You're telling me that this lady star we see today is the same lady star that we see back then? Come on now, man. If you agree with that, you're a liar. If you say the lady star today is the same lady star back then, you're a liar. Lady star changed. She changed totally. 100%, fam. You understand? I forgot to turn on my light, you know. I'm remote them, turn on my light them in the car. Turn on my light them in the dog, you understand? Yeah. But anyway, lady sir, I mean Minister Marian R. I still call her lady sir, but me I talk about Minister Marian R. Hold on it. Feel like me a commander the way they understand what I say. But anyway, if you don't believe people can change, then you will not see change. There is a quote out there where basically it says, if you're looking for something, you're gonna find it. If you are looking for a yellow house and you drive down the road, you're going to see a yellow house. If you don't believe ladies are changed, you're not gonna digest what she has to right so. You're not. And I can tell you right now, this is not the same ladies that we know. This is not. And if you think this is the ladies we know, you don't know nothing. This is ladies back then. And mama sir, if you watch this, I'm sorry to bring up your past, but I'm just trying to prove a point, mama. Come on now.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. When you suck my clit, I get a chemistry. I won't let no one eat out of your plate. Cause the suck you give cannot be replaced. Your tongue is 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You, whoa.
Look at that. What may I say? Is that the same lady side that we see right now? No. You don't want to give people the chance to grow. Because play another video writers because it's like you don't remember who lady sir is. You young. You too young.
Me said the man in a me house never go down low, but the boy out a road enough things them a fi do like kiss up me catty and suck off me toe. All me bright bulb him a fi blow. The man in a me house give me rub and sex, so yes. Also me keep and breast, but before an ex boy try tear off my dress, me little tongue him a fi wet. Me say, enough hot boy want give me man bun, but me tell them already on the 2 way me come. Me don't get one, so if you still want some, you have to yam like a dog and lick with your tongue.
You tell me now, is that the same lady sir of today? If you say yes, you're a goddamn liar. This is a reformed woman, and I believe that she changed, and she is changing. And she's continued changing because she's not going to be 100% perfect right now. If you transition to Christianity right now as somebody who is a Orlean, you think you're going to be the perfect Christian tomorrow, the minute you transition? Are you an idiot? This is why a lot of us don't reach nowhere, and this is why a lot of us in our circles don't reach nowhere, because we don't have people that believe in us. We don't believe in a lady, sir. And of course, she go out with some antics as a Christian. She did. And certain things that me personally like that video, like this video right here, just to make for an example, I don't like this video right here.
Stop me from dressing up, and these are mine. Happy me them, happy me them, happy me them, yeah, I might titty them. Happy me them, yeah, happy me them, yes, I God give me them. Blessed body. So I show me a trend. It a mad all of them, I lip off them out and them no make sense. Me a trend, pretty than the Kardashian them, yeah. Me pretty than the Kardashian them, yeah. Naturally, pretty than the Kardashian them, and that is why a lot of people mad because I'm trending the sky. Yeah.
Yes, that is real right there, ladies, sir. But I appreciate the natural message, but I think this is the reason why the people there must say you're still the same. This is a little bit too graphic, a little bit too raunchy for a Christian, but that still doesn't discredit her as a Christian. She's still authentic. How much Christians do you know that's living a perfect life right now? The reason why you see ladies are as ladies are today that she was yesterday is because you don't believe people can grow. And this is literally a war between good and evil. Uno Bashara talk about she take God for fool and she play with God. But some of them same dancehall artists here, them a thank God in the same song where them say them a go bust out a man marrow. That makes sense? But uno now say them a play with God. When I fuck with the woman, Miss Lady Sir, I'm sorry, I thought what a Christian man cuss bad out because it piss me off, man. This is literally a war between good and evil. And the people who are evil are fighting against goodness and righteousness in a life. If you don't believe that this woman has made a true transition, shut your fucking mouth. Shut up. What are you doing for society? Are you calling on God? Are you trying to make a change in your community? What I see is a group of people who are delving in evil and decadence, and see people who are transition and make them life for the better, and I fight them out. You say ladies are a player with God. You not even a player with God, you a player with the devil. All you not talk about a drug skilling fuck out y'all and them something there. So when you look at godly thing now, it's like the demons, and start clout out of flesh. This is literally a war between good and evil. The people that who are bash ladies are, them not even making a change in a freedom community. They are not. They are not. No, let me get a little vulnerable. Let me get a little candid here. I once considered myself an atheist because there were many questions that went unanswered. And to be frank with you, a lot of them still are unanswered. I watched a video with Tristan Tate, Andrew Tate brother, and he was saying that he's ashamed that he was once an atheist. I share the same sentiment. I'm ashamed. Even though I've never seen God and I don't subscribe to this image of God that I was given. But I do believe there's an explanation for all of this. There's an explanation for everything here. Something is responsible for all of this. And I was an atheist. I was angry. Questions didn't get answered. A lot of contradictions. And I'm like, man, religion, screw religion. Religion man-made. God never come down from the sky and give the book and say, read that, a man. But Christianity come with a set of rules and laws that keep governing society and keep people away from doing foolishness and rubbish. When you look upon the people them who now worship God and who not believe in a God, look upon them in a society and tell me that they are some upright citizens. You'd be a goddamn liar. Sometimes I get older now and I look upon it and I say, oh, Jaja, bro, you're just angry, bro. There is something responsible for all of this. There is something responsible for all of this. Something is responsible for your existence. You know your mother and your father have sex. But who make them and who make for them parents and who make for them parents? Where did the first human being come from? At them, you understand what I say? At them meds them me all. And I look at myself and I say, oh, bro, come on now. When I say woman I play with God, this is a war between good and evil. And no found out that we are bash ladies are evil. No, I made the point. I'm gonna finish the video right as now. If you don't believe people can change, then a prime example, Malcolm X. He was a pimp. He was a street hustler, drug addict. He went to prison. But he went to prison and he found a law. So you don't believe Lady Sarah can change? You don't believe that her praising the word of the Lord is authentic? You think she's lying? You think she's clout chasing? Who the hell is going to use religion for clout when decadence is the order of the day? That is like the bad medicine. The medicine that tastes bad are the best thing for you. But if things that taste good like sweetie and some of them things that will kill you. Lady Sarah is the purging that we need in dancehall, in Jamaica, worldwide. Lady Sarah is a part of that purge. She's a reformed woman who come with a message from her God. And we can see the evil people that might rise up against her. Lady Sarah for go. Lady Sarah for this. She's not Lady Sarah. Even though I call her Lady Sarah, she's not Lady Sarah. She's Minister Marian Hall. One of said nothing when dancehall artists are chat about God. But in the same song, they talk about bust up man marrow. And not true God keep them safe. Pussy will just kill somebody a while ago. You think God will keep us safe? Them win awards for some song where a straight decadence. And the first thing they do when them go up on stage, but just want to say big up God. But you know, say them people that play with God. Ladies don't have strength. You don't know say one nation and I'm one nation. I know what to think. You understand what I say? I have to defend ladies because I grew up in a Christian home. I'm not the most religious person, but religion is needed in society. Without rules, laws, moral values, principles, we are a doomed society. Look for all of the society them. We are delving be a decadence, a some ungodly society. Look upon America. America take Christianity out of the school, take religion out of school, and look what they deal with now. Everybody want to twist up this. Man want to turn woman, man want to have sex with kids. A society without God is a doomed society. You don't know say one nation and I'm our nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? So